Evening, folks. Welcome back to Bama Performance and Vintage Saws. You're back with your host, Nick DeForster. And tonight, well, was going to work on the Johnsford 920, but parts did not come in today. They were supposed to come in yesterday, and they said they'd be in today. Now they're just going to say they're going to be tomorrow. So we're just going to have to wait on that one. So while I was out and about today, I've had this hanging around for a while. It's a Red Beer Saws V-Stack. Bought it for a while ago, and it fits a Husqvarna 2100. Well, we have our 1100 here, and we are going to put it on here because I want to put this filter back on my 285. Which I actually got to rebuild the carb in that thing. Carb it's gummed up, won't run. But this is our ported Husqvarna 1100. Not ported much. It's like 75 on the intake or 76. Transfers are at 120. And the exhaust, or transfers, it's got 20 degrees of blowdown, I think. Exhaust is at 100 or 101, and the transfers are 120 or 121. It's nothing crazy. Widen the intake, widen the exhaust, a little more intake time. That's literally it. Like I said, not much, nothing at all. Didn't really want to get too crazy on this guy, being that it's somewhat rare. But all my looking, I could not find what thread these nuts were. Or these studs were. I believe they are 5mm. I've got a bunch of different nuts, all nylock nuts. That's what we're going to use. So first off, we'll see if our 5mm works. Pull out your, if you ain't got it off the saw, pull out your choke. That way these don't go down in your motor. I mean, it'd have to make it past the carb butterfly, but still don't want it. So let's see if it's 5mm. It is. Okay, there you go. 5mm. That's what them nuts are. So we're gonna go with 2 of them. Well, may, depending on how deep it is, we may double them up. Let's see. Pull this guy off. Now, I got a couple different filters hanging around. Find one that fits on it halfway decent. Because I got another one of these that I want to put together. It's a little tight, but it's always better than not. Plus these may be splayed out just a little bit. There we go. Let's see, make sure she sits fairly flush on there. I don't really like how wobbly that is. Wonder if it's a little, should be flat across there. Wonder if I should make a gasket to go around that. Wouldn't be hard to do, just buy a piece of cardboard, trace it out, punch it out. Because, like I said, you don't want any fines going down through there. Once I tighten it down, it'd probably be fine, but it does have a little bit of a rock to it. So that may be what I do. Just take out some of that slack. Don't keep any fines from going in there. So I'm going to do that real quick. Now I'll bring you back. Alright, folks. Made a little gasket for it. So we will put that side down. Fits up pretty darn good, actually. Could have made it a little bit smaller, but that's all right. Then we go back, see how she lines up now. A little bit tighter. I said, make sure none's sticking out there. Looks like we're good. Then you're gonna take your nuts and very carefully get them started. That's the tricky part, is trying to get this stuff started. Which that ain't gonna work for us. That guy might. See if she'll start for us. Yep, it did. Get this guy going. That guy got started. Let's run them home. Pretty darn tight. Like I said, got that seal as well. Should be good. Honestly, we could put another nut if we wanted to, but I think that gave enough thread engagement. And we should be good. Alright, as far as what filter we want to go with, let's see what we got here. We got this guy. It's a little dirty. But that guy for a small, short little guy. I do want to find a cover to put on this. So if anybody knows somebody that's got a busted up one, and is looking to get rid of it or doesn't mind letting go of it, I'd love to get a cover. I just cut out the top right there. Just have this little guy sticking out. Let's see what else we got. Now I've got a handful of them over here. Don't know if that guy will fit. I think it was a little bit too small. Yeah. I want to say I got another. Yeah, 'cause that's a angled. Let me see. I think I may have another one over here. At least at one point I did. Let's see what I got in this box of parts. There's another one. Okay, another one too. I mean, this one's even a little bit shorter than that other one. So K and N. I have to steal the clamp off of it, but there's another one. Little K and N. Believe it'll fit. Ooh, maybe not. Thought it would. So I guess that answered it for now. We're gonna go with this little guy right here. Just set her as low as we can go. Clamp her down. Really? It's not that. So make sure she's nice and all the way down there. Give her a tighten. Ooh, there we go. She's nice and tight. That should do it. A little loose right there. Where it meets that rubber, but for as little as this is, that's all I was gonna say. I think it'll be perfectly fine. So got full throttle. So yeah, there you go. That's it. That's putting a velocity stack on, like I said, 1100, 2100, 2101, 266, about any saw. This is just that easy. Just gotta know what nuts you need. Get lock nuts, or use thread locker on them so they don't loosen up. One or the other. I like nylox. You could jam nut it if you wanted to. A little bit difficult with this, but you could. And yeah, that's about it. It's just that simple. So, if you like what you saw, want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. If you don't mind, give us a like. And want to know anything else, hit me up in the comments. Like I said, this adapter came from Red Bear Saws. This filter, eBay, Amazon. I don't think it come from West Coast Saw. I forget where it come from, honestly. But it'll do the job we need for it. Like I said, I can put this back on my 285, keep it all original. And yeah, that'll do it for this one. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all have a blessed evening. No Juices loves you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, y'all.